Today we're checking out the MP Concepts GT500 style side skirt winglets designed to fit the 2024 and newer Mustangs. Now if you're looking to add a more aggressive, track-inspired look to your Mustang while enhancing some aerodynamics, these winglets are going to be a great option. They're going to be perfect for Mustang owners who want to bring a GT500 style flair to their ride, and they offer a sleek, race-ready aesthetic without breaking the bank. The GT500 style winglets give your Mustang a bold, aggressive stance by extending those side skirts for a more pronounced aerodynamic profile. They're going to help direct airflow along the sides of the vehicle, slightly reducing that drag and maybe improving some stability at higher speeds. Designed as a direct fit addition, they're going to seamlessly integrate with either factory or aftermarket side skirts, enhancing the track-inspired appearance of your Mustang. Their low profile yet aggressive shape makes them an excellent styling upgrade for street-driven Mustangs and Mustangs that even see the track. These side skirt winglets are made from high-quality ABS plastic, known for its lightweight yet durable properties. ABS is resistant to cracking, chipping, and weather damage, ensuring longevity even in harsh weather conditions. The smooth, matte black finish provides a stealthy look and can be installed as is or painted to match your Mustang's color or add an accent color if you're going for a more custom look. Now as far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in just at that $50 price range, which is a very affordable way to get a more subtle change to the look of your car and have that race-inspired style. Installation on these are going to be straightforward, so we're rating this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in 1 hour or less of your time, making this a fairly quick and easy upgrade with minimal tools required. Now, let's head on out to the shop and we'll walk you through that install process.
Tools required for this install include scissors or diagonal cutters, double-sided tape, and a stubby Phillips head screwdriver. What's up guys? Today we're installing side skirt winglets on our Mustang, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep the winglet to go onto the Mustang. Now the way that these mount are with self-tapping screws. For demonstration purposes, I'm not going to be running a bunch of self-tappers into our factory side skirt, so I'm going to throw some double-sided tape on there, but I'll show you the process for installing those self-tapping screws. You got 10 of them for each winglet, so you're just going to want to evenly space them out. I would put a couple next to each other in the front and the back, and then run the rest of yours evenly spaced out across the middle. Now, like I said before, I'm not going to be running those in, so I'm going to use double-sided tape here. So I'm just going to run a strip of double-sided tape right down the center of our mounting point. And then I'm just going to use a pair of diagonal cutters at the other end. And then I'm just gonna pick up a corner on the front and the back here. I'm gonna hang it over the side. That way, once I get this in place, I can pull from the outside. I'm gonna do both ends because sometimes this double-sided tape backing does rip. So if that's the case, then you have the other side so you know you can get the rest of it out. And now we can get this lined up, stuck onto the car, and I'll show you where to run those self-tapping screws in. So now where we have this crease in our winglet is where it's gonna line up. We want that sitting flush against the side skirt. So the front edge, you want lined up right on the front edge of the side skirt as well. So let's get that nice and lined up. And line up the back as well. And I'll start pulling my double-sided tape backing. So now you would take your self-tapping screws with a stubby screwdriver and just get under there and start running them in. Like I said, I would put 2 right next to each other up front and 2 right next to each other in the rear. Now you want to pick an end, start from there. I would start in the front, put in my 2 screws directly next to each other, and then start slowly working your way down towards the back. If you get your screws in the front and the back, then as you go along the middle, you can get it to start to bow down in the middle. Like I said, just grab your stubby screwdriver, give it a good press, start twisting and running that screw in. And now repeat that same process on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the MP Concepts GT500 style side skirt winglets for your 2024 and newer Mustang. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.